Need about to order some food. Because, unfortunately, at the Port Macquarie Supercharger, there's no food options. So you got to buy stuff here before you get there. Well, this is it. Port Macquarie Supercharger. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stalls as usual. You know, shared, so if you share one, you use half your power. And I forgot to have my phone in my notes. Hang on. Okay, my review notes right here. Let's go through them. Location. It's pretty good. The motorway is literally right there, or behind you. Access is pretty easy. It's like literally a kilometre from the road, but getting to it's about an extra kilometre around roundabouts and things, but you can find it. The navigation thing gets you pretty easy. Remember, it's the second entrance into the winery, not the first one down near the roundabout. It's the second one. Okay, on the list. Amenities. At night, nothing at all. It is nothing at night at all. It is literally a vineyard. Though, if you're here in business hours, there's a restaurant there that sells wine. I mean, it's a vineyard. Don't drink and drive. Oh, and I'm assuming inside there, in business hours, will be toilets and stuff like that. As for outside of business hours, like now, nothing at all. Access. 24-hour access, yes. One road in there. Stays open. Cattle grid. Don't walk across it. Especially when it's wet, they're very slippery. But yeah, 24-hour access, so that's good. Kid friendly. I'm assuming during daylight hours, probably yes, because there's tables and chairs down there. Plenty of gardens and vineries. The vineyard, whatever. As what kids do in vineyards, I don't know. Obviously they don't drink. But I'm sure kids will probably enjoy this place. It's actually quite a nice place in daylight hours. Lighting. As it be late, lighting's good. Long vehicles and towing. Unfortunately, again, no, because there's they're all back in stores. So if you're towing something, you have to drop it off there and back in, unfortunately. Shelter, again, nothing. I suppose you could go up inside there under the cover of the awning of the restaurant, but it's not very big. So I'd say no for that. And funny thing is, every time I've been here, it's always rained, and it's rained again tonight. I don't know why. That's something about this area. Phone coverage. Good full 4G or 5G coverage, no problem there. So you got your full if you got your premium connectivity like we do, you can easily watch your YouTube while you're charging. That's easy. Ease of finding. I give about a 7 out of 10 ease of finding. So that's it. That's our Supercharger rating. I give it about a 7 out of 10 Cybertrucks for that one, because basically at night there's nothing to do and there's no amenities, and it's literally a car park surrounded by a vineyard. That's it. So thank you for watching, and the next one will be Cybertruck Supercharger.